This is your Swing Alpha Trade Report for January 16th, 2018. We've had yet again a new all-time high. It actually gapped up and then sold off decent volume here. So this is a signal that we're probably going to have a small consolidation. Nothing too significant, and it probably won't even go below this line here. So we're just going to hesitate in entering in any new longs. If we see any good long trades, we'll still issue it, but we're in no rush, so don't be surprised if we don't issue a new long alert for the next week, maybe 2 weeks. We'll just play it by ear, and we could easily change our mind in the near future. We have very similar technicals in the Qs, QQQ. Again, it's definitely breaking out to new highs. And again, a small sell-off here, signaling possibly a little mini micro pullback, maybe possibly similar to what we saw in November here, end of December. Nothing significant. And then, of course, last small caps, IWM. IWM isn't nearly as bullish as the other two ETFs. However, we are still making new all-time highs, and we could possibly see a bounce off of this retest of support here where it will continue up further. Before we go over the trades we took, I just wanted to point out Facebook. Facebook had recently gapped down here on some news, but it's definitely very high volume here. And if it's like all the other pullbacks we've had, you could expect this to be near a bottom and possibly a curl back up. And then just we continue within this rising channel here. We don't trade Facebook. It just doesn't move enough for us. However, if we were a long-term trader, if you know a long-term trader that would be interested, this would be an interesting trade for them to take. Now we exited one trade today. The trade was in WB. So WB, we had gone long way back on let's see, July 24th, which would be this green candle right here. We went long at the close of July 24th, expecting it to go up. And we did have a little bit of volatility like our previous really good trade, our previous China trade in WUBA, WBA. We also had a 4-month period where we just didn't really gain much. However, we finally hit our target today near the top. And we issued an alert around 127-ish near the top of today. And so you would have exited, alpha level members would have exited at about 66, 67% profit within that time period. So congratulations if you took it. This was definitely an unusual trade. We rarely hold that long, 6 months. Was this? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, about 6 months we held. We usually don't hold that long, but it continued to show promise. It continued to show strength, so we stayed in. So that concludes our trade report.